Well, passengers cheering out loud for the end of the mask mandate on airplanes, but not everybody is celebrating this change. Thanks for joining us at 5:30. I'm Yolanda Harris.
And I'm Lindsay Mills in for Andrew Kinsey. We're seeing similar policy changes across the board. Masks are no longer required for passengers or employees on COTA buses or in rideshare vehicles. Both Uber and Lyft dropped requirements today for riders and drivers. These changes are likely something families are thinking about as they make those summer travel plans. Our team of infectious disease experts weighs in on what you need to know to keep your family safe. Planning and packing for your next trip, you can now leave one thing behind: your masks.
I would still wear the masks in areas where there's still high levels of virus circulating, and we know masks will prevent you from getting sick.
When it comes to the risk of getting COVID on an airplane, our experts weigh in.
Flying is safe on a plane. It's not zero risk. And in the context of us not having mask mandates anymore, you may have somebody who is coughing or sneezing next to you with COVID-19 not wearing a mask, and that would be putting virus that's out there.
I think that I would still wear a mask because I really don't know the person sitting next to me and what they may bring.
And there's more to consider. You or someone in your family may have a compromised immune system, or you're traveling with children too young for a vaccine.
If it were my kid and they're between 2 and 5 and not able to get vaccinated yet, I'd still have them wear a mask on a plane. And even though COVID is a mild disease in most children, that's also not 100%.
And our experts say it's unclear when a vaccine will be ready for little ones under the age of 5.
I mean, right now, I think they're really tinkering with the dose. Like, what is the best dose? You don't want it to necessarily be too high. You don't want it to be too low. You want to get it right the first time.
There are a couple of ways to monitor COVID where you are or where you're going. One, current virus levels in wastewater. You can track this at the CDC's website. There's local data. Here's a look at Franklin County from 2 different locations. And 2, Walgreens now has an active dashboard showing positivity rates at all locations across the country. Tools recommended by the experts to help you and your family stay informed as you plan those summer trips.